I started Mellow Marsh Farm, so I wanted to get back outdoors, back into nature. I was wondering what that could be. I thought about farming, honestly, and realized that there was a tremendous need for native plants, and there was very few people in the native plant business then. And it fascinated me. I like to grow things. I like seed germination, always have since I was a wee little one. My dad was an agronomist, so I would open the germinators and, "Dad, look what's growing in here." And he's like, "Close the germinator, please." We grow plants that are mostly available statewide. Now, there's clear regions in the state, mountains, Piedmont, coastal plain, and really outer coastal plain is yet another. But it helps us to say this juncus is viable all the way through from the mountains to the coast. It's important when doing a project that people pay attention, or even a landscape. If you really want to have things that are truly native to your area, you should pay attention to the eco-region that you're in. We grow from seed because of the genetic diversity. We like that idea of recombination of genes through seed. So we don't do any clones, we don't do any tissue culture, we don't do very much division even. It's a very satisfying thing to know that we're reproducing plants from what's nearby. And we're able so far to get what we need pretty locally. It always amuses people because I go out on horseback, I go out on foot, we wade through places in waders, canoe, a small boat, kind of anything and everything, and we spend 11 months of the year collecting something.